The first step to playing the bass is understanding the parts of your bass. There's the bass itself and the bow. For now, we're going to put the bow away and we're just going to talk about the bass. The parts of the bass, starting from the bottom and moving to the top, are the end pin, the tailpiece, the bridge, the fingerboard, the strings, the shoulders, the neck, the tuners, the nut, the scroll, and some basses will have an extension. Now, it's important to also understand how to care for your instrument properly. You should always have a cleaning cloth to wipe the strings and the instrument down with after every practice session. You should also avoid touching this area of the strings. That's reserved for the bow exclusively, and the fingers from your oil can get in the way of the bow gripping the string properly. When you put your bass down, you should always lean it on one side. These are called the ribs of the instrument, and always put the end pin in when it's laying on the floor. It's important to remember that when you put the bass in its case, you should always zip it up fully before you try to pick it up or move the bass at all. This is the parts of your bass and how you care for it.